Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Baljit, and this video we are going to install rear bagger system on S130 John Deere. I have it here. I picked up from Lowe's. Cost me $499 plus tax. Now let's open, check what is inside. The model number shows here. This one for S series 42-inch cutting blade. Let's open box and see what is inside. Then we will figure it out. Everything inside the box is here. Let's talk about, we got two bags. They're foldable. We got two connecting pipes. This will be the last one. This will be the first one, go to the lawnmower. We got hook. Instruction manual. Blades, we don't need it right now. Instruction manual. Also, it has some locking pins. This long pin to hold the bagger system, and also this is a smaller lock nut. We can install this one on the tractor, or we can install it here. So inside, and we'll put this pin in. Second, this pin, if you see the angle, it goes here. We'll make a little pressure, and we'll put this pin in. So here you see these two hooks. They will go behind your tractor either this way or this way. Since we have a flipper this side, we're gonna hook up here. So let's do it. They go here, go all the way up. Then these pins, they go here in small hole. So as I mentioned, those two hooks goes here. Then from here, pins goes here, and we will use the longer pin, push through here, so this will not come out. So this pin goes through here, comes through other side, and we will put pin over here. The locking pin at this side. So now this will not move. Next part, we are going to hook up these pipes. We're gonna carry grass to the bagger. For this one, first thing you need to make sure this area is clean. There's nothing, because this lip gonna go sit here. And also, you need to make sure this wheel is not a bend. There is a hole, this nut gonna go through the hole, and we will put a lock pin over there. I got the last one, lock pin. Let's lock here first. Okay, make sure this one is sitting in left, and you have this hook, either go here. Yeah. Okay, let me show you where I have a hookup. Now let's look a little close what I have done. I push this pin through here, and I have a lock pin. Then you can see the lip is sitting on here. Then this side, I have a little leverage plastic extendable cord hooked up here. You can also hook up over here, but I think it's gonna be too close to the wheel, so I hooked up here. Also, I was making sure the blade not hitting this plastic. Now the second part goes here. You can see the cut has to sit here. Basically, first we're gonna push this one in. And we go. One thing I noticed, this one, the extended part, this pipe is hitting all the way, so that's all the way gonna go. Now time to hook up. Just for this hook, we done in this side. Time for the hanging bags. It's really easy. This one, it was like this. So from here, you have some kind of a locking thing. Pick it up, it will be locked. Then here's two bags. They will slide here in. Second one. Once you're done with the bag, just move this one, put it back. You ready to mow your lawn. Once you're done, your bags are full. From here, you hold, pick up, you pull your bag. You also have something to handle and dump in trash, and you're ready again. We have a completed installation of rear bagging system on S130 John Deere. You can see there is a lot of safety levels. So even there is no blade or anything, but still very careful and work safe around while you're using your lawnmower. Follow the safety guides. And next video, we will be testing out our bagging system, see how efficient, if it's leaving any grass behind or if putting everything inside. For today, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.